Welcome, here I've got Honor 8A and I'm gonna show the top tricks of its camera. So at first you have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so let's start and see what we've got here. We start with this icon here. This is the flash, so here we can turn on the auto flash. Also we can turn it off and turn on every time we take a picture, and also turn on the torch like that. So this is how it works. For now I'm going to turn it off. And now when we tap on the screen like that, we get access to this ring. This is the focusing, and we have also the sun icon here. So by using this we can change the exposure compensation of our picture and make it just more bright or more dark as we need. This is how it works here. And to zoom we can use two fingers like that, so we can get closer to our object and also go back. As you can see, this is the pretty wide zoom here. And now let's focus on this settings bar here. This is the settings with the modes of this camera. As you can see, you can pick beauty mode, photo, video, more. And with more we have the Pro, Panoramic and HDR. So I suggest you to make experiments with that and just have fun. And now let's move to these settings in the right corner. By tapping on this we get access to the advanced camera settings, and we start with the general settings. At the first position we have the resolution, so here we can change the ratio connected with the quality of our picture. As you can see, for now it's 4:3 with 13 megapixels, which is the best possible quality of this camera, and you can change it to 1:1 with 10 megapixels. So this is the square ratio here. And the last one here is the 18:7:9 with 8 megapixels. So this is the full screen ratio here. This is how it looks like. For now I'm going to go back to the original one. And let's move to the next button here. These are the location tags. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn on and turn off saving location info on our photo. To make it work correctly, the important information is also that we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters if you want to save the location of your picture. And now let's move to the capture settings. As you can see, at the first place we have the assistive grid. So by tapping on this button we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines like that. So this is how it works, and for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the camera view. And as you can see, these are these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. So let's go back to these settings here, and here we can manage the mute of the camera. So the camera sounds are here. We can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. And the next one button is the camera timer. So here we can change the delay of taking picture. We can pick from 2, 5 or 10 seconds. For now I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show you how it works. And let me take a picture. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 2 seconds delay. And let's go back to these settings, and the last one button here I want to show is the audio control. So by tapping on this we can turn on the voice control, and taking pictures without touching the screen. By saying just one word we can pick say cheese to take photos, or take photos when you speak loudly at the camera. So I'm going to stay on say cheese to take photos, and let me try to take a picture by just saying cheese. And as you can see, the picture was taken by just using one word. And the interesting thing is that we can get access to the camera leveler, which helps us to keep our photographic topic straight, but we don't have access on the standard camera mode, so we have to change it, and we can go to the more, to the Pro mode. And as you can see, the Pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful, and also I suggest you making experiments with that. And when we go to these advanced settings here in the right corner, we have the horizontal level. Here, by tapping on this button, you can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So for now I'm going to keep turning it on, and this is how it looks like. So it generates as this line. As I said, it helps to keep photographic topics straight at the picture like that. So this is how it works, and for now I'm going to go to the standard camera mode. And after turning on all of these settings, we may want to go back to the original one, and we can do it by restore defaults here. So by tapping on this button, we can easily reset the camera settings. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.